Welcome back to our channel. Today we will learn another graphic organizer called Venn diagram with Muhammad Yusuf. Let's see how Venn diagram look like. These are the two circles, and then this area is used for similarity between two topics, and these two circles are used for unique feature. Yani for example, we have two topics to compare and contrast. So for example, topic 1, the unique feature of topic 1 is written here. Similarly, unique feature of topic 2 is written here, and similarity between these two topics is written here. So in this way we can use the compare and contrast between two topics through Venn diagram. Let's see example of a Venn diagram. We have a two topic like series circuit and parallel circuit. So similarity of parallel circuit and series circuit can be written here in the middle, like they both are the energy source and they both use wire. So unique feature of series circuit can be written in the circle of series circuit. So these are the single loop connection, and they are the connected connection by branch parallel in a parallel circuit. In series circuit, bulb share the power, and a parallel circuit, each bulb fully powered. Bulb dimmer, bulb brighter, all bulb go out if one goes out, and all bulbs stay lit if one goes out. So these are the unique feature of series circuit which is not matched with the parallel circuit. Similarly, these are the unique feature of the parallel circuit which is not matched with the series circuit, and similarity is written in the middle. Let's see another example between mammals and reptiles. So these are the unique feature of mammals, and these are the unique feature of reptiles. So these are written here in a reptile circle. It is written here in a mammal circuit, and similarity between them can be written here. So these are the example of Venn diagram which we can use in a science classrooms, in a social studies classrooms, and it is also useful for develop critical thinking and recalling the information and understanding the information rather than rote memorization. If you like the video, please like, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon button for the notification. Thank you very much.